also known as the RDL. Here I'm using a foam roller to assist in the start of this position, and as well as using a wedge at the heel of my standing leg. Now the hinge entails just bending forward, not bending the knee and then squatting down. You're going to want to create a pendulum over the ball and socket that is your hip joint. I'm keeping that foam roller positioned at the top of my leg, bringing it up with a bent knee and then bending forward as it extends and helps my leg stay more neutral. To make the single leg RDL difficult, you can add a little bit of a twist. Here I'm still using the foam roller to assist my back leg, and I'm twisting my torso to the outside or away from my standing leg, keeping that foam roller and my hand on the same side, fixating a level of tension to help recruit some of the abdomen. As you can see, this is not always as easy as it looks. And of course, the wedge on my standing leg is helping me to keep most of my weight on the ball of my foot, particularly the big toes where we're going to want to have most of that contact pressure against the floor.